law of thermodynamics. Zeroth law of thermodynamics defines about a term temperature. Consider the two systems which are in contact with each other. The two systems are in contact with each other by a wall. So the flow of energy. So A is a system and B is a system, and there is some flow of energy between these A and B systems. These two systems are in contact with a wall. So when the energy flow will be in these two systems, the wall may be of two types, adiabatic wall or diathermic wall. Here the wall is diathermic wall, so there is a transfer of energy from maybe from A to B or B to A. So I am considering the energy transfer is from A to B. So after some time the energy stops to transfer. So the energy stops to transfer means both the systems are having same energy. Not same amount of heat is in the both the systems. That means both the systems are in equilibrium state. So both the systems are having same amount of heat. So that equilibrium is thermal equilibrium. So the two systems are in thermal equilibrium. When we will say that the two systems are in thermal equilibrium, when the two systems are having the same amount of heat energy, when there is no flow of heat, when there is no net flow of heat between the systems, then we can say that the two systems are in thermal equilibrium. And now I am considering the system A with contact C. Again there is a wall, diathermic wall. So here also the heat transfer takes place, and after some time the two systems come into equilibrium state. Here A and B are in thermal equilibrium and A and C are in thermal equilibrium. Then a system B and system C also will be in equilibrium state. If A and B are in thermal equilibrium and A is in thermal equilibrium with C, then B and C are also in thermal equilibrium. So this is the zeroth law. If you consider the gas theory or gaseous laws, see, we know that pressure is directly proportional to temperature. The temperature increases, pressure increases, and volume is directly proportional to temperature. If the temperature increases, volume increases. So by this, can we say that P is directly proportional to V? No, according to gas laws, this is not correct. We know that P is inversely proportional to V. This is a Boyle's law. So this won't happen. Here A is in equilibrium with B and A is in equilibrium with C. So definitely B is in equilibrium with C. So this is a law. So that law is zeroth law. And why this law is mentioned at zeroth law? See, it has given first law of thermodynamics and they have given the second law of thermodynamics also. But they didn't have defined the term temperature. So to define the term temperature, they have to take a law. So that law have been taken as this zeroth law. So before these two laws, first law and second law, so that's why his name is given as zeroth law of thermodynamics. And here this zeroth law of thermodynamics defines the term temperature. Temperature is nothing but here heat will flow from one system to another system. Who will decide the direction of heat flow? definitely temperature. Temperature decides the direction of heat flow. The body A is having some 60 degrees Celsius and this body is having some 40 degrees Celsius. So the heat flow is from A to B, system A to system B, 60 to 40. So the direction of heat flow is decided by the temperature. What is zeroth law? If A and B are in equilibrium and if A and C are in equilibrium, then definitely B and C are also in equilibrium. That is the zeroth law. And how we can define the temperature? Temperature is a physical quantity. Here temperature is a physical quantity and which decides the direction of the heat flow.